and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Reality TV star Kim Kardashian has filed for divorce from rapper Kanye West after almost 7 years of their marriage. Now, the mega celebrity couple's divorce proceedings came just weeks after the US media reported that the pair were living separately and also that they were going through counseling dealing with regular relationship issues. Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut in her recent tweet claimed to be the youngest rebellion Rajput woman at the age of 15. Now, explaining more about it, the actress shared a story in which she expressed that her father wanted her to be one of the best doctors in the world by giving her best education in the best institution as well. But however, when she refused to go to school or for an education, her father tried slapping her when she held his hand and told him that she will slap him back. After which, of course, they were not in good terms. Now, sharing this, the actress said that one can imagine the extent she can go to break free. Actor Mohanlal's Drishyam 2 that started streaming on Amazon Prime Video from the 19th of February has opened to positive reviews. Now, fans have been trending #Drishyam 2 on Twitter and even demanding another sequel for the film. Not just that, many on social media are also claiming that Drishyam 2 is one of the best crime thrillers of Malayalam cinema so far. On the 21st of February, that is tomorrow, India will know the winner of Bigg Boss Season 14. While Team Bigg Boss is planning big for the grand finale, TV star Rubina Dilayak supporters have been trending #UpKiBaar Rubina Dilayak on Twitter. Now, Rubina Dilayak is one of the strongest contestants in the Bigg Boss house this year and she is running for trophy against other contestants, that is Ali Goni, Rahul Vaidya, Rakhi Sawant and Nikki Tamboli. Comedy queen Bharti Singh confirmed seeing Bigg Boss contestant Rakhi Sawant's mysterious husband Ritesh on a video call. You heard it right. Recently, Bharti Singh had visited the Bigg Boss house along with her husband Harsh Limbachia to play some fun activities and tasks with the contestants. Now, during the task, when Harsh spoke about Rakhi's husband, Bharti came in front and she confirmed that she has seen him on a video call. Bharti is the first person to confirm Rakhi's wedding after her family. Finally, Bollywood is getting back on track and has been continuously announcing release dates for various much-awaited films. Now, in the latest, Karan Johar also shared the release date of Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani starrer Shershaah. Now, Shershaah is going to be a special film as it is the biopic of Param Veer Chakra awardee and also the army captain Vikram Batra, tracing his journey. Now, Siddharth Malhotra will be playing double role as Batra and also as his twin brother Vishal in the film. Ever since Shweta's Zoom call and conversation went viral on social media, people have been trending this on Twitter. To add more fun to the trend, people have been posting other funny Zoom calls of online classes or even other meetings that happened online which will make you burst into laughter. Now, #Pandit is also trending on Twitter where students are seen troubling a teacher on online classes. Before this, #Paudi Ho Rahi Hai was also trending on Twitter. Recently, a picture of Taimur Ali Khan holding a newborn baby was widely shared on social media, for which people thought it was Kareena Kapoor's second child. However, that is not the truth. Bebo is yet to deliver her second child and the picture that's going viral on social media is of Taimur from last year when he visited one of Kareena Kapoor's friend's house and was holding her baby in his hands and posed for a picture. Singer Rihanna is celebrating her 33rd birthday today and people in India are trending hashtags wishing the singer on her special day. Now, the Barbadian singer was in headlines for tweeting about farmers' protest in India, which was both appreciated and criticized by various Indian personalities. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.